How to buy baby deep sleep products online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase baby deep sleep products. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. You'll also find some promo codes and discount codes there as well, which you can apply when checking out and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here, just simply go ahead and scroll down. You can find product for a variety of different ages, starting from 1-year-olds all the way up to 6-year-olds. So you can select whichever one you want. You come over here at the top, click on shop. You can go ahead and scroll down and find all the products that they offer. Then just simply select the product that you want, click on add to cart, and once it's added, you can go ahead and check it out over here in your cart. And then here, just simply hit the checkout button, agree to their terms and services beforehand. You can just simply go ahead and buy it. And here in the discount section, you can just simply paste the discount code, which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out as well and save money. And there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can buy a baby deep sleep product online. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.